guys, it's your girl ZOESHAAA. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm going to be teaching you guys how to get this very simple, easy beginner look. What am I call it? Rosy. Kawaii say Rosy and Rosy say. So if you guys want to see how I achieve this really simple, easy beginner look, stay tuned and continue watching this video.
Hey guys, so this is Sammy from Sammy and Sandy Life, and I will be doing the voiceover for my wifey. So now she's putting on her face cream, yeah, because you know you have to make sure your face stay moist and easy and everything nice, yeah. She has seen, you know, which song she has seen, alright, she has make sure so she rub in the cream real good, yeah, alright. Now she puts on her primer. Yep. Alright. Alright, she rubbing her face. Rub it. So she comb her eyebrows. I did not say eyebrow, I said eyebrows. Yes. And she comb it real nice. She don't have them thick bushy eyebrows, you know. And now if it tweeze and pluck before now put on a pencil, she just brush it up. Now she put on her eye pencil. Yeah, so for sure this just want to trace it. Yeah. Alright, she take her time, you know, stuff and make sure say you know what you do. Some I don't know if it trace, some I if you go back and trace in school. Yeah. Alright, but it's Zoe. Nice. Alright, she take her time. Okay. Alright, she has speed it up. She has trace. Alright, you remember. I cracked myself up. Alright. So she trace and she comb. So now she'll clean it up with some concealer. Yeah. So I'm going to make sure so I'm clean it up real nice. And make sure so I'm blend out the concealer. Because somehow no, don't blend out the concealer and it don't look right. Alright, so I have to make sure so I blend it out. See? Okay, and put some on top. The concealer shade on the concealer shade. Okay. She said blend. Good there. Okay. She make sure so them look nice, you know? Them match. So now she put on her concealer because my wife do not need foundation. She don't wear foundation because her skin already clean and up there and stay good. Alright, so she just put on a little concealer. Yeah. Alright. She has seen. You know which song she has seen. She have a blending sponge and she have blend. I blend this sponge that. Jesus, what's your make color right? I blend this sponge that, don't it? Yeah, right. Shall blend. Alright, now she'll put on her powder. Yeah, our setting powder she'll put on, yeah. Well, we'll just take a moment to look on Zoe's face expression. I'm meeting somebody but Zoe, you beat me bad. Alright, so she contoured it. If she had Jim Street, she look away around the face, you know. Yes, alright. Alright, just got the powder. Yeah, now she put on a black opal. Yeah, you put there. Try to make sure so she blending the powder real nice. Yes, blend it real nice. But I don't like it anymore, so I saw it just put a look a while. My singing wife. Alright, I put on a black opal. Now for contour the nose and the cheekbone. Yeah, the nose bridge. I'm gonna go for it. Yeah. Man. Why if I saw a face, I do something, you know, when I do to film a face. Alright, shall blend. Blend, 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 blend. Alright, good deal. Alright, so now she make sure that she blend out the forehead a little bit more. She take a little time and she draw the line on her cheek that don't listen. What you call that now? We don't know what you call that one now. Underneath the cheekbone. Alright. And she put little blush and she blend in the blush underneath her collarbone. No, not collarbone, her cheekbone. That side. Alright, so now she put on her rosy. She put on her, hold on there. She put on her concealer pencil that is in white. Yeah. So she put that on first, then she put on the color so the color can pop. Alright. Yeah. Alright, she blend it in. And you also look nice, you don't it? Alright, so she put on her transition color. Yeah, because now she make her look come true. It's rosy, I will come true right now. Alright, so yeah, yeah. And she had it in a windshield wiper. I always want to say that windshield wiper. You know, because I always see the girls I'm saying it when them voice over, so I get a chance to say it. Alright, so she pat it in. Right. My wife look good, don't it? Yes, she reach. Alright, good there. So she put on her powder stush. Yes. She blend in it stush over there. So I make sure say I blend over there so nice. Yes. Alright. Same so on the next side. Left side I want my right side, left side. Yeah. I should blend out the powder on a collarbone that again, cheekbone. Yeah. Alright. Blend. Great. Now she'll do my favorite thing. She'll glare. She'll glare my baby. Glare my baby. Uncle Sammy, now you're laughing. You know it's a show my baby. Yeah. Yeah, because I'm here the only wife. Yeah, cool. Glow, glow, glow. Now she put on her lipstick. Mm-hmm. Yes. A little bit. She already look good already. She can't all go on the road with the shower cap on her head. Yeah. Because she's a good also. Alright. Real look for my woman and my wife. That